Hey guys, welcome. I'm going to be having a look at OBD 11 again today, but this time I'm going to be doing it on a Golf GTi 2014 play. So I've recorded the video, hopefully it makes it easier for you to have a look at. Fast forwarded this sequence, we've got 18 modules on this one, on this GTi, and it's already come up with a few errors as you can see. So we'll just go through and have a look and see how the clearing process is. So 4 problems found, scan up, and it will clear it. But what we can also do is actually go into the settings on the bottom right, and we can go into engine faults. So we see there's one, gives us some details, and obviously the Google link. And if we just hit clear faults, it clears it, no problems at all. And then we can have a look at the next fault by going down the list. We look for the red mark. We can see air conditioning, 2 faults is come up with. Now, some of that doesn't make sense unless you read German, but nevertheless, let's do the same thing and just clear the faults on that one. And that is all successful. So no problems cleaning faults off a Golf GTi. Engine, no faults again. Everything looks okay. I just wanted to go back and check it again. And we've got central electrics, that's got 1 fault again. Tank lid unlock activated, not sure what that is, but the good thing is it cleared it off, no issues. And just scrolling through the rest of the modules that it scanned, everything is green as you can see, no issues there. Going to adjustments, which is just enhancements, I guess, that you can add onto your car afterwards. Certain features, you can see variations in light fading in and out, sunroof, auto headlight settings, and these are just enhancements. But the thing is, this 2014 GTi literally had most of these options already activated. But I'll just continue to just go through so you can get an idea of what other options are available in terms of enhancements or changes you can make on a Golf GTi. Quite a lot here in the list, hence I'm just scrolling through it a little bit fast, but you kind of get the idea that it has a lot of options that you can enhance for Golfs. Retrofits, I think these are if you make changes aftermarket. And then workshop, you've got various oil reset, service indicator reset, and then basic settings of transmission. Not sure exactly what that is, but you can see in here, at least it gives you some kind of information so you can understand what the setting is all about. But we're just going to leave this one as is. So really, that's it. And that's just a quick video to show you what you can do on this. Much better doing changes on this compared to doing it on a Bentley. And once I do the scan again, it's all good. So hopefully that's an education for you guys. You can see on a Volkswagen GTi, everything looks okay and it works pretty well. So if you found this interesting, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And if you want me to give it a go in other Volkswagen group cars, just drop me a message. Thanks for watching.